Okay, hi friends. So today we'll discuss that SN1, SN2 reactions. Yesterday we discussed now something. So I will give the explanation for SN1 and SN2. Okay. I will take some small example. Right. Here is chlorine alkyl halide I am taking. Here hydrogen. Here methyl. For example, here ethyl. Okay. So in SN1 mechanism, the same reaction if it is participate in SN1 mechanism, first chlorine eliminate. Then if chlorine eliminate, it forms the carbocation intermediate. C2H5, the carbocation intermediate is formed. After formation of carbocation intermediate, the OH minus will be attacked from front side. Then the product formation is like this. So C2H5 CH3H. Okay now. So if it is for example if it is S configuration, for example if it is if okay now it is S configuration. If it is S, then it is also S configuration. Okay now. And next if OH may be attacked from back side. OH may be attacked from back side. Back side attack. It is a front side. Front side attack. Okay now. If it is attacked from back side, the product formation is inversion product. Here OH, C2H5 and H and CH3. Okay now. So this is R configuration. Okay. So in the SN1 mechanism, after formation of carbocation intermediate, SN1 mechanism, after formation of carbocation intermediate, there is a chance to attack from front side and back side, because this is the trigonal planar shape. Trigonal planar, back side attack, front side attack. Okay now. So we will get to two types of product racemization takes place. But the same reactant if participate in SN2 mechanism, the same reactant if participate in SN2 mechanism, if it is participate in SN2 mechanism, aqueous KOH, here also aqueous KOH if use. If it is participate in SN2 mechanism, simultaneously OH attacking from back side and chlorine elimination from front side at a time takes place. At a time both will be simultaneously, nucleophile attacking and leaving group eliminating, both simultaneously takes place. So that's why an imaginary transition state is formed. This is an imaginary, but not, there is no proof for identification of this. So OH and C2H5 and CH3 and H, right? This is the imaginary transition state. 5-membered and trigonal bipyramidal sp3d transition state. Okay now. So after this, the OH completely attack, this is completely eliminate. Okay. Now HO, C, C2H5 and CH3H. So if it is S configuration, now it is exactly opposite to R configuration will be found. So in SN1, SN2 mechanisms, the same reactant if follows SN1 and SN2 mechanism, the product formation in the first case, SN1 case, after formation of carbocation intermediate, the nucleophile may be attacked from front side and back side. So we will get to enantiomeric pair. This is enantiomeric pair. These two are enantiomeric pair. Formation takes place. If it is participate in SN2 mechanism, no carbocation intermediate, only transition state. This is a single step. This is considered as single step. But this is two steps. It is the first step, slow step, and this step is a fast step. SN1 is a two-step mechanism. SN2 is the single step mechanism. Single step mechanism. Okay, na? So always if you compare SN1 mechanism reactivity, if it carbocation is more stable, it is fastly reactive in SN1 mechanism. If carbocation is less stable, it is slowly reactive in SN1 mechanism, right? So now I am going to rub this, right? Next. So reactivity order of following with respect to SN1 reaction. With respect to SN1 reaction. This is a question, sorry. This is a question. Okay, na? Reaction. So option A. Okay, na? Following na one C6H5Cl, number 2 CH2 double bond CH2Cl, number 3 C6H5CH2Cl, number 4 CH2 double bond CH2Cl, number 5 CH3 taken 3 CCl, CH3 CH2Cl. So with respect to SN1 mechanism, the order of reactivity, if you see, so in SN1 mechanism, always mind it, in SN1 mechanism, the intermediate is a carbocation intermediate. Okay, now if carbocation is stable, it is favor to SN1. It is favor to SN1 mechanism. So the reactivity is depends on SN1 mechanism, right? So for the SN1 mechanism, what carbocation intermediate? That means first halogen is eliminate. Then after compare the reactivity. So in the first option, I am writing for first option, C6H5 is nothing but benzene ring. C6H5 is nothing but benzene ring. So after elimination of chlorine, positive charge will become. Option 2, that is vinyl, CH2 double bond CH plus. Third option, that is benzyl. C6H5 means that is the benzene ring. This is the carbocation. Next from fourth option, that is called allyl. Carbocation. To the CC double bond, the next carbon positive, that is allyl position, allyl carbocation. Next fifth one, that is tertiary butyl carbocation. Next sixth one, just ethyl carbocation. So among these, find out the stability, which is more stable carbocation. Stability of carbocations, if you see, 3 is the most stable. Benzyl is the most stable carbocation because pi sigma positive conjugation is exist. So this is benzyl carbocation. Benzyl is more stable. So that's why stability order I am saying. Stability order equal to reactivity order. So here I am writing reactivity reactivity order equal to stability order. Stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. So first is 3 is more stable, it is more reactive. Next second one, pi sigma positive, again conjugation, this is allyl carbocation. So it is next second stable, so allyl chloride is second most reactive. So that's why 2 is. Then after here benzene ring positive and CH3 double bond positive, that is very unstable. Mind it, all among the carbocations, phenyl is least stable carbocation, because with respect to positive charge resonance is lacked. Resonance is restricted, not existed with positive charge, right? So because if pi bond shift to here cumulative pi adjacent is very unstable, so the resonance is stable. This is very least, one is very least. Then after positive charge and double bond also least. Okay na? So these two are very least. So I am writing, so sorry, here 4 na, the allyl is 4, second is 4. Okay na? First one benzyl more stable, then after allyl, then after tertiary butyl carbocation 5 is more stable. Okay na, because this is plus inductive effective groups. Then after sixth one, then one is least stable, one is least stable, then after 2. Okay na. So here benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation. Okay na, that is the fourth option. Next to tertiary butyl, fifth one is tertiary butyl carbocation. Then after ethyl carbocation, that is primary type. Okay na, sixth one is primary carbocation and fifth one is tertiary carbocation. Okay na, and the positive charge on benzene ring very unstable, so it goes to very least priority, least reactive. Then after before that vinyl. Okay na, so it is the stability of carbocation and also reactivity order with respect to SN1 mechanism. With respect to